The Countertop Revolution is a hard surface cleaning tool that provides the cleaning technician with an efficient and effective way to clean and detail vertical and horizontal surfaces, tight spaces, and even into the corners. This unique hard surface detailing tool is powered by a high pressure extractor like the EDIC Endeavor multi-surface extractor. The high pressure pump spins the dual spray jet arm to not only pressure wash hard surfaces, but to help increase agitation for better cleaning performance, especially on porous surfaces like tile and grout lines and softer stone surfaces that brushes just can't reach. This dual agitation is combined with the vacuum motor on the extractor to quickly remove water and waste while you clean, no matter what direction you are cleaning in. Some key features are the tough and durable polyethylene housing, the comfort grip handle with solution line quick connect that is rated up to 2500 psi, and the vacuum hose barb for water and soil recovery. Our unique teardrop design makes this hard surface detailing tool not only effective for cleaning into the corners, but cleaning into tight spaces around toilets, sinks, showers, and more. The Countertop Revolution is made here in the USA at our Los Angeles factory and backed by our industry-leading 5-year warranty that includes parts and labor. For more information or a demo, contact our customer service team today and we will connect you with a local dealer in your area.